In this video I'm going to show you how to change lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. So what we need to do is open our Google Sheets, and I have created a little template to do this for you guys. So what you can see is here we have the lowercase text, and we would like to place the same text over here in this cell B3, but then capitalized. So what we can do now is basically go to the cell B3, then type equal upper openings bracket, and then select this cell and then a closing bracket and then enter. And as you can see, we have now changed the lowercase to uppercase in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Bye bye.